Okay, sir. So actually, we are meeting first time. So please say something about yourself. Then we will talk.
Yes, sure. My name is Reyaan, and originally I belong to India, but right now I'm living in Saudi Arabia. Talking to my qualification, so I have completed Bachelor of Commerce since 2019. And talking to my hobbies, I like playing cricket and reading newspaper. That's all about me. Thank you for asking. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Please say where are you from?
I belong to India, but right now I'm living in Saudi Arabia.
Okay. Okay. So you speak English with your now you live in Saudi Arab. So you speak English or any other language?
Sometimes I speak English, sometimes I speak Hindi.
Okay.
So may I know you yourself?
Great. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So my name is Varun, and I am from West Bengal, India. And now actually I'm a student. I'm studying BS in Physics. This is my final year. Yeah. And now actually I'm running a YouTube channel because of my English. In this time I'm practicing English. So that's actually I'm doing. Yeah. That's all about it.
Right now you are a student, and after
Yeah, actually I'm a student, and now actually I live in hostel. You can say.
okay, so after your after complete your education, so what do you want to be? What is your goal?
Yes. Well, yes. So actually, after my college, I will actually in this
Don't
time
call
I'm
me
preparing
sir.
for civil service.
Don't call me so. I am your friend, brother. You can see my. You
Okay.
can say my name.
Okay. Okay. So actually, in this time I'm studying BS in physics. After that, I will prepare for civil services. So that's why, and in this time actually also I'm preparing.
Okay. So
Yeah.
how long have you been learning this language?
This language, it will be almost 1 year when I was second year. That time I was practicing. But in this time, actually, I don't have time very much, so that's why I'm not consistent in this time. Yeah.
So could you tell me why you are learning this language? I want to know genuine reason. Not say yeah, English is an international language. English is a whole English is speak whole the world. I want to know genuine reason.
Okay. What is okay? Actually, I want to learn because of my study. In this time, actually when I was studying class 1 to 12. That time I was studying Bengali medium. But when I comes to college, that time I was actually from that time I'm studying English medium. So that's why sometimes I face problem. That's why actually I'm learning, and then actually after college I will prepare for civil services. So that's why actually I'm learning. It's my main reason.
Okay, it's your genuine.
Okay, so actually I want to know why you are learning this language. What's your reason?
Of course, you can. It's a long story. Definitely, I will share with you. You know, when I was in India, at that time I wanted to learn in English, but due to some reason I didn't have time, so I couldn't learn English in India. But when I came in Saudi Arabia, so I saw myself. I have, which I have much time in here. I'm getting very much time, but even then I didn't learn English. Every day I used to watch English. Every day I used to watch movies. Every day I used to Insta reels. One day while watching movies, I realized myself. I was saying when I came in Saudi Arabia, I saw myself. I have a lot of time, but even then I didn't learn English. Every day I used to watch movies. I used to watch Insta reels. But one day, while watching movies, I realized myself what I am doing and where I am going. My dream was to speak English, but I understand you were in India. That time you didn't have time. It's okay, but now you are in Saudi Arabia and you have lots of time. So why do you learn English? Why don't you learn English? So that time, yes, I have, I have commitment because I have a lot of time. So definitely I should learn English. And and that time, from that times, I have been learning this language.
Okay, sir. So where you did learn this language?
Okay, I know I did. I currently I am learning English. Not did. I am learning English on online. I'm a
Okay,
beginner,
from where
brother.
you are learning? It means actually you are learning from YouTube or any other platform.
Yes, I am learning English on YouTube through. Just it.
Okay. So what kind of things you are learning for your English speaking?
What kind of things?
What kind of materials? What kind of videos you watch?
Of course, for before 6 months ago, I used to watch first of all I used to watch grammar.
Mhm.
After completing my grammar, then I move on preposition and modals, active voice.
Mhm.
One by one, I saw video and I and practice. I keep practiced every day, and now every day I practice. That's it.
Okay. Okay. So how many times do you spend on your English speaking?
Every time I
Every
I
time.
spend yes I spend my whole time in English. But you know,
Okay.
sometimes feel bored. So I feel bored. So I quit and I began. I see. No, sometimes I bore, so I quit. I watch Hindi movies like reels, etc., etc. That's it. But
Okay. Great.
most of the time I spend my time in English.
Okay. It's a very good thing. Okay.
So
Okay.
tell me
So
about you. Say,
when, yeah, yeah, say.
tell me you what about you? How do you learn and do you take any physical class or online class?
No, so actually, I didn't take any physical class, but everything I learn nowadays, actually, also I'm learning everything I learn from YouTube. YouTube or any like a audio calling application I use actually now also, and in this application I using.
So
Yeah,
how long have you been using this app?
this application.
Yeah.
I've been using this application. I think 4 month almost 4 to 5 months.
Oh,
Yeah. And it is very
so
good application actually. It's a free of cost application, so that's why actually I like very much and I use.
and how many attend video call and conversation? How many in a day?
All in a day actually I don't talk every day on this application. I talk almost in a week 2 or 3 call, because in this time I'm
Every
studying, also I am running a YouTube channel, so that's why. And I attend almost 30 call in
you
4
have
months or
completed.
5 months. Yeah.
So how's your running your YouTube channel?
Yeah, it's going well in this time, and I'm trying to consistent nowadays, because
Okay.
this is my final year. I will complete it.
So how many do you have subscriber?
500 something. I don't
Okay.
remember exactly, but 500. I think 10, 12, like that.
Hmm.
Yeah. Okay, so,
So,
I want to know, um, do you speak English with your family or not? When you talk
hmm,
with your family.
actually, my family. are not educated. They don't know English. They don't know how to speak English. So how I can speak them because they don't know English. That's
Okay.
it. I don't speak.
Okay, how many members in your family?
There are 16 members in my family. I have a
16.
I have, yeah, I have a big family.
Okay, it's a very big family. Okay, great. Okay, so do you have YouTube channel or not?
No, I'm not a YouTuber. I don't have a YouTube channel.
So are you planning to create YouTube channel or not?
Of course, I'm thinking, but I don't know when I will start. I don't know. First, when I want to know, I want to know first of all, I want to improve myself. If I will see that I have improved myself, then definitely I will create my YouTube channel and I will run.
Okay, it's a very good thing. Okay, so do you have any kind of environment now to speak any other person,
There are no
or you
environment, brother.
practice only self?
Yeah, if I am practice, I practice it myself only. I practice alone.
Okay, 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 great. So what kind of work nowadays you are doing in Saudi Arab?
Actually, I am a central AC technician.
Okay.
Do you know about central AC? Not split window. Not. I'm not talking
Hmm.
split window. Do you know about central AC?
Hmm. Okay, great. So yeah, if you have any questions, so you can ask.
Okay. So tell me, how's your studying? It's going. It's okay or not? And how's your journey? Tell me your journey. How did you come there, and why you came there in hostel?
Okay, okay,
You
in
understand what is
hostels.
my question?
Yeah. I got it. Your point. Yeah. Now, actually, when I was class 12, that time I was thinking I should go for physics. So that's why, and in where I live, that place actually there is no any college. So that's why actually I came here in town. You can say it's a small town, Purulia. Name is Purulia. So that's why actually I came here for studying purpose. Yeah, that's all.
Okay, so I forget that. Where you from?
West Bengal in Purulia district.
Okay, West Bengal in Purulia district. Got it.
Yeah, yeah.
So did you used to play any games in
Sorry.
childhood? Did you play used to game in childhood?
In
Childhood. In childhood.
okay, okay, getting your point. Yeah, when I was, I think 5 to 6. When I was studying 5, 6 classes, that time I was playing cricket, football in my village.
Oh,
Yeah,
you can say I used to play cricket and whatever you play. I don't know. I used to. Okay.
yeah. Used to. It's a past form. Yeah, but we can use actually. I was playing when I was class 11, 6 to 12. That time I was playing. Yeah, it
Okay.
will be also.
So
But thank
now
you for saying.
now you don't play any game.
Now I don't play because I live in hostel, so that's why I don't have time, and I don't know anyone in here.
But brother, when I was in hostel, so
Hmm.
at that time I used to play in
Oh,
like day off, like Sunday. Every Sunday I used to play cricket with my friends. So you can play with your friend. Like, is Sunday is your day off? Maybe.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's about actually, but I actually teach some student in Sunday. Sunday not.
Okay.
I think in 1 week I teach 5 days, include Sunday. So that's why I don't have time.
Okay. Actually, you are a teacher as well as you are a YouTuber.
Yeah, you can say.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah.
So what how many do you have experience to teaching?
How many experiences?
You
Actually, I
have.
cannot understand your questions. Please say, describe your
How many
questions.
years? How many
Okay,
years do
how
you
many
have
years?
experience? Yeah.
Okay, actually, I have been teaching. Um, it will be almost 2 to 3 years when I was studying class 12. From that time,
Okay. So what kind of you teach?
yeah, actually, I teach class 10 student and 5 to 10, you can say. But most of the time, I teach class 10 student.
Mm. Okay, you can teach all the subject or something special subject.
No, no, it's something special you can say. In class 10, I teach physical science. It means physics, chemistry include, and
Okay.
math and life science. Sometimes I teach English also.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, three
I
subject I
think
teach
okay. So
science
I
teacher,
think
because
you should be you should become teacher, brother.
actually it's my hobbies you can say. When I teach, that time I relax very much. But actually, my goal is I want to become a civil servant because I want to work for society.
So you are doing you are doing society.
Yeah, in this time actually I'm doing, but if I go to civil services, then I will lots of diversity to do in society. So that's why actually I want to go. And if I teach English, if I teach a student, then I will help only the student. I cannot
Okay.
help whole society. So that's why.
You're right. Actually, you're
Yes,
right.
actually we are actually our timing is going longer. So nice to talk to you, and we will meet again.
Okay. Okay. No mention.
Okay, thank you.